Good morning, children. I hope you are doing good and taking care of yourself. Children, today we will learn about a new animal that is elephant. This is an elephant. Elephant is the largest land animal. Elephants live in forests and grasslands. Elephants have a long and strong nose called trunk. Elephants have large external teeth called tusks. Elephants have very large fan-like ears. Here we see a baby elephant. The baby elephant is called calf. Elephants live in large families called herd. Elephants drink a lot of water and love to play in water. Elephants are vegetarians. Elephants eat grass and small plants. Elephants also eat fruits and vegetables. Thank you, my dear children. Stay safe and have a great day ahead.